Today I'm working on a 2011 Chevy Equinox, and I'll be changing the headlight bulbs on both the driver's side and the passenger. On the driver's side, I'm going to get into detail as to what tools you need and how to actually do it. I'm going to have shots where you can see what I'm doing. On the passenger side, I'm just going to run through it so you can see how quickly it can be done. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so on my vehicle, it's a 2011 Chevy Equinox, and I have lowered it a couple inches. So I actually had to put a jack under it, jack it up enough to get access to this panel. Now I'm going to show you a couple ways. If you have a short T20, you can use that up in here. It's a little tight. Now, something I purchased from Harbor Freight is this little kit here, and it also comes with this setup. So I'm going to take the T20 out of it. I'm going to put it into this tool, and we are you can use this as a ratchet. And I think this was like $5, and it's a whole kit, and it comes with all those bits. Alright, so you get this T20 screw out. It's right here. And then you should be able to turn this dust cover. And it's got 3 tabs on it that hold it into place. Now we'll go see what's going on in here. Here's what we're looking for. Right there. That's a dust cover for the back. Okay, so we're turning it to the left. It looks like, it felt like it's like a quarter turn. That is definitely not full turns. So this right here is the light bulb, and I'm gonna go ahead and unplug it. You can see this tab. Try and get you to see it. This tab right here, it's easy to disconnect while it's still in place. There's a little light bulb. I've read that sometimes people have this O-ring that actually stays in the housing, and so you'll want to double check and make sure it comes out with the light. So let's get the new one. Alright, we've got the new bulb, and I'm gonna try to find where it goes. Okay, you can see the light bulb's in, and the tab is on the outside right here. So then you line up your plug, make sure it is fully engaged, and it is. I will say that doing this with the tire on is probably going to be very difficult. Part of the reason I'm able to do it okay is because I'm using the display on my camera to see what's back up in here. So also I'm going to show you this dust cap. It's got a rubber O-ring on it and these tabs. So you have to get that in there and in the hole just right. Get these tabs lined up and then it'll pop right in. Okay, so you have to push in on it to get it in the edge here, because it recesses in there. Once you get it in, you turn it and you're locked in. So now we'll put the cover back on here. So again, you want to line up your tab. Okay, then we just put the screw back in. I'm going to use this tool. So I'll go ahead and get it started. Right. Now, some of the videos I've watched on doing this, they'll show you one side but not the other, but I'm going to go ahead and I'm changing the other one anyway. So I'm going to go ahead and record that. That way if there's any difference, I can let you know. Alright, so the passenger side was just as easy as the driver's side. And again, I know some of these models in the second generation don't have this, or at least that's what I've been reading. So this is a 2011, and obviously it does. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.